Hello guys, it's me here, Chicken Natural Remedies. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how to reduce that stubborn belly fat. If you want to get a flat tummy, just want to reduce your belly fat, just keep on watching. I'm gonna share with you guys how to use green bell pepper to just reduce that fat permanently and get your correct shape. So guys, without wasting much of it, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's just get into the video.
The first thing we need is our green tea. I'm gonna use green ngwa and orange tea, just 1 bag of it. Use just 1 bag. So right now I'm gonna pour hot water. So right now I'll allow it to sit for 5 minutes while I get other things I'm gonna use for this recipe. Just set it aside. The next thing we need is our green bell pepper. So I'm gonna cut off and remove the seed.
So guys, this is one of the best way to just get rid of that belly fat, that stubborn belly fat. This green bell pepper works so magic when it comes to weight loss, tummy fat. It works so well. It's just reduced drastically and to be permanent. Just keep on watching. And one thing you should understand in this recipe is not that if you drink it today, you just want it to just work like a magic. You are going to reduce 4 kg in 5 days. If you're only consistent, honestly, just mind the kind of food you are taking, you are eating. It's just going to reduce it and just to give you that correct shape. This thing works so well. It works like a magic. The only thing, there is no exercise, there is no workout in this recipe. Just mind the food you are eating and you are good to go.
If you want to reduce tummy fat, that belly fat, just want to reduce it permanently, just keep on watching. I want to show you how to do it right now. So the next thing we need here is our cucumber. I'm making use of half of this cucumber. If you just want to make more, you can go ahead and double all these things I'm using for this recipe. So I'll just cut it and add it into the plate.
Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Just share to your friends and share to your loved ones.
The next thing we need for this is our lemon. I'm gonna peel off the back of the lemon.
Guys, this is an amazing drink. Honestly, this drink works like a magic. It's going to bring down that belly fat, that stubborn belly fat, and give you a nice looking shape.
I'll just cut it and add it to the plate straight. I'll add into the plate. Another thing we need is our ginger. Honestly guys, you can't go wrong with ginger. You cannot go wrong with ginger. So if you have been following this channel, I don't play with this ginger in terms of all this recipe. So I'm gonna peel off the back of the ginger. I'll just cut it into the plate. So guys, look at what we have here: our ginger, cucumber and lemon. So guys, right now I'll start by adding all into the blender. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just hit that red button down below and turn off your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So right now, the next I'm gonna add is the green tea. Add 1 cup of water. So I'll blend.
Honestly guys, you cannot go wrong with this drink. You can't go wrong with this. It's going to just flatten that stubborn tummy that refuses to go. Honestly, it works like a magic. Give it a try.
I'm gonna use my strainer to strain it. What I need is just basically the juice. That's just what I need.
So guys, I'm using my spoon to just press it more so that the juice will just come out. So that is just what I need. I don't even need the fiber. It's just what I need. I don't even need the fiber. I will just throw the fiber away. This is an amazing drink and it works like a magic. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share it to your friends, share it to your loved ones, share it to your neighbor.
So guys, that is it. I'll just pour it into the cup. Basically what you need just to reduce that tummy, as in reduce it permanently. This particular recipe gonna reduce it drastically, just reduce it permanently. This thing it works like a magic. Just give it a try and still come back and say thank you to me. Honestly speaking, I know what I'm talking about. So yeah guys, here comes the end of the video. If you like it, please subscribe. If you like what you're seeing, if you have watched up to this extent, I really appreciate you. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends and loved ones. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video.